let's compare what N26 offers as their plans, a subscription to their online banking, and decide which plan suits you better, depending on those criteria that I personally find the most important ones. I can share with you my personal experience. I do have N26 account, and I would definitely reveal which kind of plan I personally use and what is the major driver for me to subscribe for this plan. And let's start from the basic information. Right now, N26 offers 4 different plans. One is for free, that is standard. Smart subscription plan costs €4.90 per month. Go plan costs €9.90 per month, and mental membership costs €16.90 per month. There is also an option to pay this monthly subscription fee annually, and then they provide you the additional discount, so it becomes even more beneficial for you if you consider to have this long-term commitment and have some paid subscription plan. Otherwise, you can always choose the free options. At least that is always great to start with that. And for me personally, before I open any new bank account, I always double check if there is the insurance for a certain amount of money on my deposit. It means if one day all of a sudden any bank would go on bankruptcy, you would still get your money protected and you would receive the money that was on your deposit up to €100,000 back. So that's why it's always the recommendation to not hold more than this amount of money on any specific bank, and better split if you have the budget that exceeding this number onto different accounts. Next point that makes a difference between different plans of subscription to N26, it's the card. For standard membership, it's for free only virtual card, but the physical card is available for all other membership. But the metal membership actually provides you with some special cards that is 21 gram of the metal, and when you pull that in from your pocket, it definitely stands out. That's the metal. You can hear the sound, and it's really heavy. Whenever you use different cards, you would immediately understand what card you are taking in your hand. As you see, I do have my metal membership card, and I choose this rose pink color that I'm absolutely in love with. Another yet very important point for me to choose this specific membership was the interest rate on my savings account. And there is always changing situation. Right now, as per official documents that I researched on the N26 official website, it says that the standard and the smart membership has 0.3% annual interest rate. So it means for the €1,000 that you hold on your savings account with this smart or standard membership, by the end of the year you would receive only €3 as your total interest rate compensation in case you had never withdrawn this €1,000 out of your banking account. And talking about Go membership, that gives you 0.5% annual interest rate, that also is not much, and only metal membership gives you up to 2% annual interest rate. I can personally say, since I holding this metal membership since the end of last year, that has been changed. At the beginning, I was also receiving 2% by every single day on my savings account amount. Of course, I was increasing gradually the savings I have on that account, and it was accumulating every single day. It's funny to observe how your compensation grows, but it's not big numbers, I have to say. But there was some changes to the policy. I assume I fall into some cohorts, and right now I receive only 1.5% annual interest on top of my savings money that I hold on my N26 savings account. So that's why I share with you the numbers, but please take into account that the numbers may be different for you specifically, depending on when exactly you sign up for any of those membership. And again, maybe it also has something to do with the tenor, or maybe with the amount you store on your instant saving. Great news that actually all the membership plans has the joint account. That's very handful if you live with someone on the mutual household household, with your partner or with your friends as the VG, for example, so like collective apartment. The joint account you can basically set up for a few people and contribute to this one bucket from different accounts, and then you can pay for the rent, for utilities, or for any other common expenses from one joint account without always calculating who owns whom, how much money. I think that this joint account is really a great option, but by default you would receive it regardless which plan you choose. And also, if you choose any of the paid subscriptions, so excluding the free membership, you would receive up to 10 different sub sections where you can categorize some money, especially if you have some financial goals and you are working towards the big purchase like the car, or you plan like really highly expensive vacation next year like I did this year to Japan. That was out of my regular budget for traveling. You can set up the subsection where every month, for example, you can transfer some money into that jar, and then at the end of the day you would see a significant amount money that are ready for you to enjoy your next journey or get you the new experience you was admiring. I can definitely recommend you to set up those subsections if you are working towards the specific goal, and try to make it like a habit to transfer the money. So it gives this kind of a gamification to your banking situation. It would have this positive attachment to having control over your money flows, and that would always motivate you to create new habits in your money management routine. So that's why definitely use this fun activities whenever it's possible. And one more important point, in case you have any business, like I do have my YouTube account, so I've been able to create a separate business account for the specific expenses and the incomes that I receive from the YouTube partnership program. So if you have something similar like a side hustle and you really want to keep your money or different income streams separated, you can definitely do this for free with the N26. Another important point that I personally also put specific attention on is the withdrawal. I know that we are living in the 21st century. We all using our phones as the cars, or even our watches as the car, but still living in Germany you need to have some cash, and N26 has some limitation on the cash withdrawal. For the free membership program standard plan, you have up to 2 withdrawal per month in Germany for free. Otherwise you need to pay extra money. If you have the smart membership, you have up to 3 withdrawal per month in Germany. For more expensive membership, the Go membership, you have up to 5 withdrawal inside Germany, and for free you have the withdrawal worldwide. And for the Metal membership in Germany, there is still limitation, so you can withdraw up to 8 times your money from the banking account per month, and worldwide you can do this technically for free. Whenever you are targeting specifically the withdrawal outside of your country of the residence, make sure you activated the card inside the country and then use it freely wherever you go. And I particularly find this super helpful because, again, later this year I'm going to Czech Republic, and they do have the different currencies, and it's such a no-brainer for me to just use this card to withdraw the cash in the local currencies and not taking care about the exchange rate at all. And talking about the traveling, of course, another reason why I personally appreciate the Metal membership, because they do have the insurance for the traveling, for delays, for luggage lost, for cancellation and other troubles that can happen during the traveling situation. Also, the Go membership, that is a bit slightly less expensive membership, also covers this traveling insurance, and I think it's must if you are like me, like to travel and don't like to have the stress in your life while traveling or after that. And also, membership with the N26 gives you the lounge access if you are going to travel somewhere and you know you are going to stay there for a while. For example, you have 5 hours transferred time or even more, you can actually book the lounge access with your N26 membership. All the plans provide this access. With my Metal membership, I got the prompt that I can use first lounge access for free, and the following access that I would like to receive with my membership, I would get around 30 euro for the access. And one more insurance that actually Metal membership is providing is the cover up for the phones and the other purchases that you can basically get insured and receive the money back if something got stolen. That's very handful. I know that whenever I do the purchase with the card, I can at least return money back if something got broken. And one more important point that I need to mention in this video, what is the eligibility when you can open your membership with N26. By the way, it's not sponsored ad, I'm just sharing my experience, but how you can open your account if you are older than 18 years old and you live in any of those countries, then you definitely can open your banking account within 20-30 minutes. And if you open the account with my affiliate link in the comment below section, I left that for you, you would receive the welcome bonus and I would receive the same. But how you can basically complete the deal to have this bonus landed on your banking account, you need to have a purchase at the same amount or exceeding amount of money than the bonus is promised to you. So if we are talking about 80 euro per bonus, welcoming bonus, then if you once you receive the account, you just put there 100 euro, do your expenses, ordering something or paying to your bills for more than 80 euro bill, and then you within few days you would receive your money, welcoming bonus money on your banking account, and I would receive also some bonus on my side. And let me know if you found this video helpful. I definitely like to personally watch this kind of reviews before I go into any of the banking accounts or any other subscriptions, but I would definitely explore the world. I'm going to also subscribe for the American Express and also Revolut to just see the differences and share with you later on what actually gives the more benefits and where I personally lean towards to have more stakes on one of that specific online banking. And if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Let's see each other on my next episodes that are already available on my channel, and take care. See you very soon. Bye bye.